Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13392 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. To begin, we'll be lowering the exhaust for an easier installation. To lower the exhaust system, locate and remove the rubber isolators on either side of the muffler. We recommend using a spray lubricant or a soapy water mixture along with a pry bar to ease the removal process. For some instances, removing the rear bumper may be needed in order to access the hardware for final torquing. Position the hitch over the bumper beam and align the holes of the hitch with the holes in the crossmember. Insert a hex bolt with a flat washer in each of the mounting holes with the threads of the bolts facing the rear of the vehicle. Secure the bolts in place with a serrated flange hex nut. Some models may require hole enlargement to allow the bolts to pass through. Refer to the hole enlargement diagram located in your supplied instruction sheet if needed. With all the hardware attached, torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall the rear bumper if it was removed and reattach the exhaust system. This completes the installation of the CURT 13392 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Make sure to install the custom vehicle-to-trailer wiring harness next to complete your towing setup. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.